So one day when I was browsing YouTube, I saw something really strange. Where is the views per hour metric that I use on VidIQ? So what I try to do firstly is to update my Chrome browser, which quite often will actually fix a lot of bugs. And you will be able to see an update button in the top right corner of your Chrome browser if you actually have to update it. But unfortunately, that didn't help. So what I did instead is that I went into the vidIQ customer support and I reached out to them. And I got Tanya here that helped me, and she said like this: "Hi, thanks for reaching out. Happy to help. I'm very sorry about this. This is indeed a known issue and our teams are working hard to resolve it as soon as possible. As we work toward a resolution, it may take some time to ensure everything is corrected properly. Rest assured, we are diligently working on it and we'll keep you updated as we make a progress. Thank you for your patience and understanding. And yeah, if I need more assistance, I can just reach out to them again, as you can see. But basically, like to summarize, they know that this is an issue, and hopefully this will be able to be fixed as soon as possible. So if the update method didn't work when you try to update it, then just wait, and hopefully they will be able to fix it as soon as possible for us.